Hi again, everybody. It's Friday morning, September 23rd, 2022. Taking a look at the Astro Excel and seeing what happened this week. We had this move up to the 20th. This little bullish trend, we terminated up here at this high. And as the green line started to turn down, you can see we've been in this slow downward drift all week long. We're below the minus 10 line, and now we're bucking the minus 20 line, and then today we're going to be breaking that and going down, actually going to about touch the minus 30 line, which hasn't happened for quite a while. You can see the little upward bumps in the green line here were these minor upward trends, but generally when we get below the 10 line, the minus 10 line, we're going to have bearish activity. Let's see how the Vedic timers did yesterday. Vedic timers strong once again. You back it up here. Came on early in the morning. We saw caught this nice high here in this A or B1 green window. We had a low in the A2 green window here. We had one fail right here. We got the long trigger and then it just crapped down on us. But then we had two signals here were good. We caught the low of the day on the white block here. That was good. And then later in the day we had two good trigger points. We got triggered into a long here and a short here at about 1548, moving down until into the area of the close. And as soon as the volatility dried up there after those three big bars, that was the end of that move. So for today, nothing early. We're coming into a wide window coming up at 7:20 to 9:36. So look at your other indicators for the timers. Let me pull something up there here for that. What you want to do is look for the rainbow triggers in this area. We've got one early at about 7:10, and then we have this other window coming in on the A6 panel from 8:28 till 9:50, so that wraps inside that window as well. So you can look there. Now I'm switching to the 1 minute Astro Excel chart with the gray line, and you can look at the gray line for fine tuning. So the gray line peaks and valleys are going to give you these pivots in the market. So you definitely want to be looking for that as we get into that timing window. You can also look at the pH as well and the Cosmo for those turns or your intraday aspects. So there it is. Once again, the Vedic timing windows perform extremely well. Only one failure out of all those windows yesterday. So that's it for today. We'll be back again over the weekend with another video.